Are you looking for the tire traction chain? In this video, we will show the top 3 tire traction chain. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Snow Chains Auto-Fixing 1-Minute Quick Installation Tire Chains. Heavy-duty emergency tire traction chain for pickup trucks and off-road SUV car tires. Brand, Alvebi. Material, manganese steel alloy. Wheel size, 17 inches. Item weight, 9.96 kilograms. Vehicle service type, car, light truck, SUV. Built tough for off-road giants, dedicated for pickup trucks and off-road SUV. Unmatched performance for your expedition. Effortless installation, 1-minute quick installation with no need to move the vehicle and easy removal. Auto-fixing device, click and go. Simplify your journey without rubber tightener and no more stopping to retighten after installation. Durable and reliable. Crafted from thick alloy manganese steel with a chain diameter up to 4.5 millimeters and a chain tread height of 16 millimeters, our snow chains deliver exceptional traction and grip on snow, mud, sand, and ice, ensuring your safety. Number 2. SCC Peerless 0232105 Auto-Trac Light Truck/SUV Tire Traction Chain 2-count. Brand, SCC. Material, alloy steel. Wheel size, 275 millimeters. Item weight, 13.9 pounds. Vehicle service type, light truck, SUV. Worry-free self-tightening ratchets provide automatic tightening and centering. Easy installation and removal in minutes. Do not exceed 30 miles per hour with these chains on. Diamond pattern cross-chain provides a smoother ride and superior traction. Number 3. SCC 0232805 Auto-Trac Light Truck/SUV Tire Traction Chain, set of 2. Brand, SCC. Material, alloy steel. Wheel size, 285 millimeters. Item weight, 15.56 pounds. Vehicle service type, light truck, SUV. Worry-free self-tightening ratchets provide automatic tightening and centering. Easy installation and removal in minutes. Do not exceed 30 miles per hour with these chains on. Diamond pattern cross-chain provides a smoother ride and superior traction. Meets Class S clearance requirements, even in light truck sizes.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.